Hey, this is Dale Calvert. I really didn't want to do this video, but I've been getting so much grief from LiveGood distributors from a private, unlisted video that I did that I never would and never did make public. That I felt like I just needed to do this. I heard it said one time that the quality of our life is in direct proportion to the quality of questions that we ask ourselves, and then answer those questions truthfully. And that's what I really hope that you will do. I'm going to give you three questions that are critically important, and I hope you'll answer them truthfully. The first thing you should be asking is, who is this guy? Why should I be listening to him? My name is Dale Calvert. Uh, you can learn more about me than you would ever want to know at dalecalvert.com. Um, Currently, as it relates to building teams in today's marketplace, the company that we're with, that we're getting ready to make a pivot from, but that we are currently with, there's over 1 million distributors. 50 of the top 50 money earners, 14 of them are on my personal team, and there's a list of them here. All this can be documented. I've been around the industry a long time. Uh, I actually worked with Ben and Live Good, or Ben and Skinny Body Care, excuse me, as the corporate trainer and consultant for about a year and a half when Ben owned that company. And I believe the future of Live Good is real easy to predict when you understand the pattern. And those that don't learn from the past are always doomed to repeat it. Einstein said, insanity is to continue to do the same thing over and over, expecting different results. Uh, Ben Glinsky, and for those of you that may not know, he's the owner of Live Good. Ben is a genius. He's a genius marketer. I like him. He's a friend of mine. Uh, I really do like him as a human being. Uh, but if you look at Ben's pattern, he's a genius at looking at the marketplace, figuring out the message that the market needs to hear, then designing that fear of loss compensation plan, you know, take the free tour, capture your email, and then fear of loss, join now. And he takes that compensation plan, that fear loss compensation plan, and combines it with a message that the current market needs to hear, and creates a lot of hype, creates a few income stories, usually with Tim Miller or someone, and has the income stories. He's got the story, he's got the comp plan, and he rides it as long as he can, and then he sells the company or merges it with another company, and then we don't hear from him from a couple of years. And I'm not saying that's good or bad. I'm just saying that's the pattern, and why anyone would think it's going to change with Live Good, I have no idea. So again, three questions that you really need to ask yourself if you're taking a look at Live Good and thinking about getting involved with them. The first question is, and this is real important, what's driving the business? Uh, the truth is, network marketing, everything that they say about network marketing, the majority of what they cover, I agree with 1000%, especially when it comes to consumable products. That market has been burned out. It's over. It's done. I agree with that. But when you really look at what's driving Live Good, traditionally in any company, and not just in network marketing, but in any company, it's the compensation plan. And it's definitely not the compensation plan with Live Good. Live Good may be the least paying compensation plan in the history of network marketing. And that's just the truth. I mean, 25-cent commission on a $9 or $10 membership, whatever it is not anything to get excited about. So it's not the compensation plan. I think we can all agree on that. And it's definitely not the products. I think we can all agree on that. And people say, yeah, Dale, but they're the lowest priced products on the market for the quality. And I understand that, and that's probably true. But I know that the only people that really care about low priced nutritional products are network marketers, and especially network marketers that have been on auto ship in the past. So he's hitting the pain point that a lot of people can deal with, because again, the guy's brilliant. So let's be real. what's driving this business? And we all know, those that have been around for a while, it's beyond obvious, you know, for some leaders, and there's not very many involved in Live Good, but for some leaders or maybe on their last run, it's a short-term money grab, but who is it attracting? And that's really the question. Live Good is attracting newbies that don't know any better. They wouldn't know one comp plan from another. And those with a lottery mentality, they have no interest in working or building a business. They've put their $9.97 in, and they're hoping to win the lottery because they've been told that they can make money without doing anything. Is this who you really want to build your future with in this type of environment? Is it really? Because we all know what's going on here if we've been around for a while. So that's the first question. What's driving the business? What's driving the business is the hype. The hype is driving the business. It's certainly not the products, and it's certainly not the compensation plan. It's the hype. It's the appeal to network marketing flunkies that have never made a nickel and got frustrated because they were paying $40, $50, $60, $70 or whatever it was for auto ship. And Ben has struck a nerve. And that's really what's going on. Number two, what are the chances a legacy company tips off a headline seeking attorney general and the company is shut down? I would say there's a 50-50 chance, honestly. And if it is a 50-50 chance that the company can get shut down, is that worth it? Is it worth taking the chance? And again, I'm not here to argue whether it's legal or whether it's not legal. I have my opinion. Everybody has their opinion. But it's my understanding of the law that if you're in a consumable product company, you cannot charge if you're a membership company, obviously you can charge for your membership. But if you're a company that provides products, consumable products to a distributor organization, you are not allowed to charge for tools, brochures, training, or membership fees. So, I was talking to someone in a legacy company last week, and they said, Dale, look, they've taken a lot of our people. They've said a lot of things that are not true, and our attorney from our company is getting ready to send out registered letters to every attorney general in the United States, and they're going to be shut down. You know that, and I know that. And I'm not saying that's going to happen or it's not going to happen, but I'm saying the chance of it happening is legit. And if it is 50-50, is it really worth spending the time, energy, and effort and taking that kind of chance? You have to answer that. I can't answer it for you. But this is the most important question, in my opinion. Do you really want to start over? Do you really want to put a few months, maybe even 18 months it could go, maybe 2 years, 3 years? Do you want to put time, energy, effort, and your credibility on the line promoting this company only to have to start over down the road? Because I sincerely believe that it's not going to last for multiple reasons. That's my feeling. I think it will go down as fast as it went up. People are already leaving. People are already fighting with each other. Live Good distributors trying to steal other Live Good distributors, and there's a lot of chaos going on right there as we speak, which many of you are aware of. So, do you really want to start over? And that's the three questions. And I would ask you, did you answer these questions defensively or truthfully? Let me say that again. Did you get defensive or did you just answer them truthfully? And then the other thing I have to always consider is and understand that some people just haven't been around long enough and they aren't experienced enough to know the difference between the hype and the math. And I get that. And I feel sorry for those people. Again, the quality of your life depends upon the quality of questions we ask ourselves and then answer them truthfully. So what is the answer? Whoever shared this video with you, they can give you the not public video, but it's called Behind the Live Good Curtain. If you want to take a look at that, just to verify some of what I've said and a lot more things, you can get a copy of that if you choose to. Please don't send me hate emails. I'm getting them already from an unpublished video. I don't need it. It doesn't matter. I understand the concept of cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance. You know, and like the headline says, never underestimate the difficulty of changing false belief with facts. Because some people hear everything and they respond emotionally. Some people look at everything, they look at the facts, and then they can talk facts. But most people can't. Most people have to get upset, get mad, get up and, get all pissed off. And I've heard, the truth will set you free, but first it might piss you off. So the network marketing business model has changed, as LiveGood has said multiple times. I agree. It is over practically, especially with consumable products. It's never going to be what it once was. But LiveGood, is it really the answer, or is it adding to the problem? And again, just look at the patterns. Why would Ben change the pattern that he's always worked with at this point? So it's my personal fear, honestly, that good people, I think, and I've shared this with our team, for many people, Live Good is their last hurrah. It really is. And I think a lot of people, when Live Good goes down or whatever happens, they will throw in the towel and really be done with network marketing forever. And that's a shame. That's always bothered me, and it bothers me with this. So what is the answer? I think I just shared with you earlier that with the company that has over 1 million distributors, 14 of the top 50 money earners, producers are on my personal team. I'll make over $1 million this year, and I'm getting ready to make a pivot. Now, what if that's true? What if after I've been in this profession over 40 years, what if finally there really sincerely is a company that's a category creator? It's not a lotion, potion, or pill. We don't have to go out and create a market for it like we had to with CBD. I wasn't in CBD, but CBD distributors created that market, and then big box stores and health food stores and gas stations took it over. What if we, look at the essential oil companies? They went out, created that market, and then before you know it, essential oils are available at the drugstores, at health food stores, big box stores, Walmart. That's what happens. Network marketers create the market, and if the market gets big enough, whether we're talking about noni juice or whatever, acai berry, they create the market, and then big box stores and other businesses dominate it and take it over. And if the market doesn't get big enough, then we can go on eBay and buy virtually every network marketing product at a discount. What if none of that could ever happen? What if there was a company right now that was entering an industry that is already bigger than all the network marketing companies in the world, all the lotions, potions, pills, all the travel companies, and so on and so forth? The market that we're entering, we're not having to create it. The one that we're entering is already bigger than all network marketing products and services combined around the world. And we're entering that market, not creating it. We will never have any competition. We're entering a market that's already there, and we will never have any network marketing competition. What kind of business do you think you could build? And what if you didn't have to worry about your auto ship sitting in your garage and the expiration date on it and the product goes bad and expires? What if it was a product? And this is the last thing I'm going to say. I read this in Success Magazine many years ago. It changed my network marketing career. It changed my business career. And it said, if people want what you're selling, you'll get rich. What if we had a product that people did not have to change brands? They don't have to change their shampoo. They don't have to change brands. And they already want it. They're already buying it. They're just trying to find it. And we can supply it to them. I could go on and on and on. I won't. Either you have the business mind that's saying, you know what? I don't know what that dude's talking about, but I need to do my due diligence and learn more. Or no, I'm with Live Good. Live Good is my last company. Live Good is the company I've been dreaming of for, and you can stay in that mindset, and I'm cool with either one. But if anything I've said has got your attention and even pissed you off, because again, the truth will set you free, but first it might piss you off. But if anything that I've said has got your attention, I hope that you will get back with the person who shared this video with you and say, that guy said there's another video called The Last MOM You Ever Joined, and that you can send it to me. Send me the link. I want to see what the heck he's talking about, because I don't believe the guy. I think he's a liar. And find the lies and find the red flags. Find the lies, find the red flags. Watch the video. I dare you. What'd they say in the movie? I double dog dare you. No, you guys have a great day. God bless you. I'm telling you the truth. If you're the right person, if you know I'm telling the truth, and you know that you don't want to have to build it over again, and you really would like to find that last company that all experienced network marketers who find it will stay with it, I've found it. Get back with the person that shared this with you. They'll share it with you. Have a great afternoon, day, night, wherever you are in the world. Again, my name's Dale Calvert. I appreciate your time.